Good evening, Crestwood Middle School Falcons and families. This is Michael Ward, the principal of Crestwood Middle School, and welcome to the 2021-2022 school year. This year will be the beginning of my 12th school year as the principal of Crestwood Middle. With the students returning 5 days a week of in-person learning, I am excited, as well as my staff, to see them back in the building. It is unfortunate again for the school year we are unable to hold an in-person open house due to certain policies regarding large group gatherings, but please know that during the summer there was continued planning for a safe school opening and to implement best practices associated with COVID, which includes all students and staff being required to wear a mask, practicing good hygiene, and social distancing. Since many of our students from last year were either virtual or in person, our goal is to refocus, refresh, and reimagine our plan to provide instruction to these ever-changing times. Schoology will continue to be the platform for parents and students to see important information pertaining to classwork and posting important messages and grades. With students having school-issued Chromebooks, they can now pivot between virtual and in-person learning. Partnering with families will be crucial this year as we face many obstacles. We appreciate your support as you work with students at home to assist with homework and other matters. We encourage parents to stay connected with your child's teachers. Together with our dedicated staff, we strive to make connections with students to help them feel valued, accepted, and safe. Whether we are learning in person or remotely at home, our goal is to encourage active student engagement to foster a lifetime love of learning. Once again, on behalf of the faculty, staff, and the administration, we look forward to the students returning on the first day of school. Thank you and have a great evening.
Hello everyone, my name is Jackie Harrell and I'm the attendance secretary. Just want to remind parents that if your student's going to be absent for a day, go ahead and log into your parent view and report the absence. Thank you and have a good day.
Hello, I'm Nurse Ashley. I'm happy to be back at Crestwood again this year. I just wanted to go over a few things with parents. The first one being medication. If your child has to take medications while at school, please give the office a call to schedule an appointment to bring those in. The next one is for 7th grade families. For those of you who have yet to turn in your vaccination documentation, please do so prior to the school year. If you have any questions, please give me a call here at the office. Thank you.
Hi, we're the school counselors of Crestwood Middle. I'm Miss Phillips. I'll be the counselor for 6th grade and 7th grade endeavors team.
I am Ms. Bowers. I am the counselor for Hurricane 7th grade team and all 8th graders.
And we are located in the main office, and we wanted to invite you guys to come see us if you need anything, whether that's academic, social, emotional. You can always come see us, and we want to help you have a successful year at Crestwood Middle.
Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Rogers. I am so happy you will all be back in person this year. I look forward to helping you find a great book to read, and I hope that we get to do some different things this year like Makerspace. I hope to see you come in and participate in a lot of different activities during lunches. I can't wait. Bye-bye.
Hello students, my name is Magnus Martin and I am so happy to be here at Crestwood Middle School, and I will be your new chorus teacher down the hallway. I'm excited to meet you all this year. We're going to have fun, learn a lot of music, and it's going to be a great time. Come join us.
Hi Crestwood Falcons, Darlene Peak here, your teen living teacher. I'm really looking forward to having all of you back in the building this year, or new to the building in the class. Have a great first week of school.
Hello, my name is Mr. Johnson and I'm the band director here at Crestwood Middle School, and I'm looking forward to meeting each and every one of you once you arrive. Thank you.
Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Burke and I teach orchestra. I'm looking forward to having a great school year this year and meeting all of you. All right, see you soon.
Hey Crestwood, I'm Mrs. Warner and I'll be teaching you guys computer science. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.
Hi Crestwood Falcons, my name is Mrs. Hernandez. I'm the technology teacher. I can't wait to see all of you back in the building this year.
Hey Crestwood Falcons, this is Miss Tony here. I teach French 1 and Exploratory Foreign Language, and I look forward to seeing you guys very soon for the 2021-2022 school year. Bye!
Hi everybody, I'm Miss Leneve. I'm Crestwood Middle School's reading specialist. I'm so looking forward to having everybody back in the building this year. I can't wait to help you with any of your learning needs or your reading help that you might need. I can't wait to have you in class. Welcome to our beautiful classroom library. We have a lot of fun seating in here too, so this is like the place to be. So if you're with me, I'm so excited. If you're not, maybe one day.
Hola a todos, my name is Alejandra Ruiz and I'm the Spanish teacher here at the Crestwood Middle School. And I'm a Spanish native speaker born in Colombia. We're going to be working and learning all these communicative skills in our class. I look forward to watching you succeed in Spanish 1. Adios.
Hi, my name's Miss Thomas. I'm going to be your new art teacher this year, and I'm very excited to meet you this school year. We are going to do some very cool projects. I'm really excited.
What's up, everybody? I'm Mr. Harris. I'm going to be your health and PE teacher this year. Hope you had an amazing summer. I know I had a great summer getting to hang out with the kids, and we got a new puppy this summer, so I've been busy with that. Hope you guys were able to do some fun things, relax, enjoy yourself, and I hope you're ready for the school year. We're super excited to have you. On the first day of school, I'll go into more details of what to expect, kind of what we're going to do. But I just wanted to make a quick video, introduce myself. Once again, I'm Mr. Harris, and I will be your health and PE teacher this year. I look forward to seeing you guys on day 1. Bye, guys.
Hello everybody, welcome back to school. We are going to be back in school for 5 days a week. I can't wait. I'm Mrs. Ballard. I am your PE teacher here at Crestwood Middle School. We're going to have a fun year. Y'all will know I'm a big goofball. I love to have a lot of fun, but also I love that y'all are going to be working hard. I will help you along the way, and I cannot wait to see you guys soon. It's going to be a fantastic year, guys, so don't stress, don't worry. I got you, Miss Ballard, Mama Ballard, for the ones who know me already. Hi, guys. Welcome back. Mama Ballard's got you, all right? All right, y'all. I'll see you on the first day of school. Bye.
Hi, guys. This is Mrs. Williams. I am your health and PE teacher for the 2021-2022 school year. I am at home right now because I am on maternity leave. I just had a baby girl this summer. So I look forward to being back in October and meeting all of you. I hope you have a wonderful start to your school year, and I will see you all soon. Bye, guys.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Mr. Kiskinnis. I'm a health and PE teacher. I am so excited to see you guys. I hope everybody had a great, wonderful, fantastic summer. I hope you enjoy your last week of summer, and we are pumped and excited and ready to see you guys next week. You take care, guys. We'll see you soon.
Hi, I'm Miss Madison. I'll be your guys' PE teacher for Miss Williams for the first couple weeks. I look forward to seeing you guys, and I hope you guys had a wonderful summer.
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the 2021-2022 school year. Here you have your hurricane teachers for the year. We are so looking forward to having you come into the school building and being able to see half of your faces. We're looking forward to an outstanding school year. We know it's going to be great. Being in person again is going to be outstanding. And we cannot wait to meet you and greet you and have a wonderful community of learners. Hi again, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mr. Howell, also known as Hurricane Howell. I will be your math teacher for the school year, and I look forward to seeing you soon.
I am Mrs. Dodden. I'm your history teacher for the 2021-2022 school year. I am so excited about this year, and I hope you are too. Thank you.
Hello, boys and girls. My name is Mrs. Knight. I will be the TA for the Hurricane team, and I'm looking forward to seeing you and working with you all this year.
Hey kiddos, my name is Miss Cardinale. I am the science teacher of the Hurricane team. I'm looking forward to meeting basically half your faces. So I can't wait to see you, and let's get the party started.
Hi, I'm Ms. Thomas. I'll be the inclusion teacher for the Hurricane team this year. I'm looking forward to meeting each and every one of you, even though I'll be seeing your half face. But welcome aboard, and let's have a great year.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. May. I'm the English teacher for the Hurricanes team, and I look forward to seeing you.
Hey, Miss Culpepper here. I'm your 8th grade and 7th grade Hurricanes assistant principal. We are looking forward to having you guys back for an awesome new school year, 5 days a week. We can't wait for you to come back. We are welcoming you back, and if you need anything, come and see me in my office.